welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's been a long time na hindi kami nakakapag-vlog. Ayan. So, from the venue, andito na kami. Kakauwi lang namin. Ayusin natin yung camera. Ayan. Kakauwi lang namin. May mga ngarag pa kami. So, ito na lang yung mga konting mga gifts na natira. Kasi binuksan na ni Michaela. You open already some gifts, di ba?
Yes, from my birthday.
From your birthday. Okay, let's start muna. Actually, mas marami nagbigay ng sobre. May nagbigay ng lechon. Ayan.
Do you know? I opened this already.
Mamaya na yan. In-open na yan. Mamaya, yan natin kung sino yung
Can I
nagbigay.
show them my iPad? This is my iPad already.
Nilagyan niya na ng sticker, di ba? Agad, may sticker na agad. May nagregalo sa kanya, si Princess ng MRJ. Ayan, ng MRJ.
Now I have to say
Yung mga
like
modeling
Claudia.
agency yun. MRJ. Ayan. Niregaluhan siya ng iPad!
Yay!
Wow! Sobrang happy niya talaga, as in, sobrang happy niya. Diba? You happy? You have new iPad? Wow!
I am happy.
Dito ka! Hindi ka nila makita. Okay,
I'm going to
next.
cover my iPad.
Next.
We're playing Meeny, Meeny, Miny.
Okay, sige. Mini, mini.
Yeah, that I just,
Konti na lang. Binuksan niya kasi lahat.
yeah, tell me pa.
Lagi. Mini, mini.
That's your time.
Ang dami pa nga eh. Asa na ba yung iba? Nandun sa baba.
You, I pick the very best one, and it is you.
That one. Sige. Ayan. Ayan. Tita China Roses. Ay, ano ka?
You open it too. I guess we have to use scissors.
Wow.
What's it?
Ay, ano ka? Oo. Sa'yo. Oh.
Wait, that's a white bag. Guess you white and you like white. I guess this gift is for you.
Gift. Wow, Minnie.
For me, Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse bags.
I
Ang
don't like Minnie
cute.
Mouse, but what happened? And it's still white. Please, we change it. Please.
Ano, we change it? Gusto niya kasi pink lang. Super cute na, oh.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
kind of cute.
I think this is for traveling. Traveling ba?
A travel bag.
Travel
oh,
bag?
it comes with some things inside.
Another bag?
It's a purse. I think
It's
it's
a purse.
I think it's for storing my clothes.
Parang ang dilim natin. Dapat ang ilaw dito pala. Wait lang ha. Change natin. Change.
Let's change.
Ayun! Dito pala. Maliwanag.
It comes with a purse.
Ang ganda nito. Oh. Thank you, China. Roses.
Thank you, Tina Roses. And thank you.
Oh.
So I can store my toys here.
Tapos may ganito pa, oh. Another bag. Oh, for your pencils.
It's so cute.
Pencils.
And papers.
Papers. Mga pang for the school.
Or
Oh, diba?
I think it's a school bag.
Oh. Pwede yan for the, when we travel, di ba? Because we travel a lot.
A school bag and I'm big. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Alright.
Because you're a big girl na, you need
A new
mga
one.
ganito.
I need a new.
New.
I need a new bag. So I'm using.
Wala nang edit to guys, upload agad kasi may
Thank
mga
you.
kakalimutan na naman.
What's your name?
Thank you,
again?
China Roses.
Thank you, Tina Roses.
Tita.
Thank you, Tina Roses, Tita. I can use this for school. Thank you.
Yeah, oh, wow.
Next
Ang
time.
dami pa, nabuksan niya na may mga Barbie. Ay, hindi, dali pakita natin mamaya. Sige,
Alright.
pakita natin. Oh, next, hindi na. Open mo na yun.
Any I'm playing
Mini mo.
any mini, miny, mo. Catch a time, I choose you. I pick the very best one, and it is you.
Sarah, pero pinipili niya na. Dito ka. Next ano? Ito daw, from Claudia and Ethan.
Thank you, Claudia.
Ang one of her best friend, si Claudia. Yan yung mga kapitbahay niya.
Yeah, man. So, Luna.
Saka si Luna.
Wait, I know love it.
Giselle.
Thank you, Luna and Thank you, Ethan and Claudia. I love Legos!
Gusto mo siya ni Lego yung mga ginagawa gano'n. Mga binubuo-buo. Cute!
Can I open some?
Ha? Open mo?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this Lego sets.
Mamaya na natin ito i-open.
Okay,
Mamaya na. Next na, next.
maybe tomorrow.
Hindi naman talaga yung nauna yung ano.
Open
Ay,
this
sorry.
tomorrow.
Ito muna. This one is from G-Kicks. From G-Kicks. Yung pen
And
chef.
And it's shoes.
Shoes.
Wow.
Tada!
Now I have matchy with Daddy.
Yeah, oo, matcha-matcha with Daddy. Ang ganda.
Now,
Ang cute. Oh.
now everybody thinks I'm a girlfriend.
Ang cute. Thank you, G-Kicks. And
Thank
marami
you.
itong branch, ha? G-Kicks, ayan. Search nyo lang. Marami silang branch.
We will
Thank you,
open
thank you.
this tomorrow, okay? Okay, Mom?
Open. Open.
Tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wow. Just shoes? You have to buy something else?
Ulit dito. Gusto ko puro laruan eh. And this one from Luna! From Luna, your best friend!
Wait! I thought Luna gave me this.
Yan.
LOL doll.
Ayan. Bigay din ni Luna. Bigay.
Two!
Ay, LOL to, di ba?
LOL doll.
LOL. Parang mahal ang LOL, no?
LOL.
Ang cute. Bigay din ni Luna.
I
Thank
named
you.
her Gummy Celeste.
Ang cute.
I named her Gummy Celeste.
Let's see.
It's another LOL.
Another LOL. Oh my God. Another LOL.
Wait, there's more?
Another
A
LOL.
plushie! A plushie!
Huh?
It comes with a plushie.
With a plushie?
No way!
Plushie! Wow. Asa yung ibang gift niya, Koy? Asa yung ibang gift? Ano dyan? Kasi ganyan mo ilagay. O yung mga dito para makita natin. Dito.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Don't look at that. It's just my toys I just opened.
Tapos another LOL. Ang mahal ng LOL. Grabe.
LOL.
LOL.
I oh
Tsaka ito, oh. Bigay ni Luna. Inopen niya na to eh.
yeah.
Arigato.
You don't want to see
Thank
that
you,
thing.
Luna.
It was so much. Somebody just came in and I told him to help us.
Okay,
Help me
another
to-
gift from Jeff Gitarin. Jeff for Speed. Ano?
And I already know what it's just.
ganda.
Naganda.
Ang ganda.
I hope it was good.
Wow.
But I actually like this one.
Wow.
This one is much better than toys.
Oh, yeah. Kasi nga, kailangan different ka rin.
A sweater! Thank you!
Tingin?
Thank you so much.
Wow.
It's Disney Princess one. It's a Disney Princess.
Oo, from Disney Princess. Ang ganda.
Wait.
Meron, ang ganda na.
It's from Disneyland.
Oo.
I think he bought it from Disneyland.
Yes. Ang cute. Thank you.
Wait.
Coming from
Wait, it
Jeff
has a crown.
Gitarin.
Mom, look,
Huh?
it has crowns.
Oo.
Next one.
Ang ganda. Ang cute.
Can I open this one, Mom?
Ayun, oh.
Mom, can I open this one?
Ha?
Can I open this?
Later na ito pa. Meron pa. This one. From
This is the last. That was the last one.
Papi J and Tita Daisy.
Again.
Tita Daisy, the sister of the owner of Sakura Lounge PH. And maraming salamat nga pala kay Dalia ng pabigay ng sobre.
Oh, it's a Barbie! It's a Barbie
Ang
travel!
Sakura Lounge.
It's
Ay, Barbie!
a travel Barbie!
Wow!
Can I open this one?
Pakita mo muna. Oh, Barbie! Ang
Can I open this one,
cute!
please? Mom,
Oh,
I want to open that one.
this one? Manang open this one?
Yes.
Mamaya natin open. Ang ganda, meron bang may mga ano? May pillow pa siya sa neck pillow. May backpack. Ang ganda nito. Huwag mo i-ano kasi. Ayusin natin yung mga, ano mo? Yung mga regalo mo. Ay, yung mga,
So, the ones
ang dami
with
niya
toys.
nakatambak
This
na.
one.
Pagka-open niya, tatambak na, no? And, tapos ito, I think this is from Torres Farm. Kay Sir Eric. Asan yung mga ano nito? Yung mga laman nito.
Now, this Hello Kitty one, I'm gonna open this
Asan yung
tomorrow.
mga laman nito?
Tomorrow? Mommy, we're gonna open this tomorrow, okay?
Oo. Asan na ba yung iba? Tapos may nagregalo din sa kanya. Ang cute oh. Ayan. Binuksan niya na. Nawala na tuloy kung sino na. Hindi natin alam kung sino nagbigay nito. Ayan. Ang cute ang Barbie.
I'm gonna open this one, Barbie.
Diba?
I'm
Oh.
gonna open this Barbie travel one.
Wait lang.
It
Tapos,
comes with toothpaste and a toothbrush.
may nagregalo din sa kanya ng ganito.
How cute.
Ayan.
It's a
Naka-open
face
na kasi.
mask.
Ito kasi open niya agad.
Oh.
Ayan. Mga activities. Ito natin. Ayan. Gagawa ka ng bracelet. No?
This is the one whom I can make a bracelet.
Bracelet.
Like a BFF. Or
BFF or the name of ano? Of
any friend.
any friend, your best friend.
Or your family.
Tapos ito pa, may nagbigalo sa kanya ng ganito.
It's her suitcases.
Suitcase. Ang ganda Barbie din. Oh. Diba?
Now I have
Hindi
three,
siya
but
dito.
I don't know.
Ang ganda.
I can't
Suitcase,
even
oh.
read. Can you give this to me?
Natin yung laman. Baka meron pa to. Siguro andito yung ibang
Mom,
laruan.
Mom, I want to open this thing here.
Oh, andito pa ibang laruan, oh. Ayan, may nagregalo pa sa kanya ng ganito. Is this a gift? Ha?
Yeah.
Oh,
My pajamas.
hindi na yung pajama niya kagabi. Yung pajama mo nandito.
Sorry.
Tapos ayan, nilaro niya na ibang laruan. Siguro ito yung mga laman, no? Ayan, oh. Pinabubuksan niya na. Lagay na dito.
dami.
Ang dami. Ayan. Ayan. Mayroon pang mga nagregalo iba. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nagregalo, of course. Ang pinakabonggang, syempre maraming salamat kay, Lechon de las Piñas. Thank you. Ayan. Meron siyang binigay na isang malaking lechon. Thank you so much. Kay paring Armin. Of course, regalo ng Casa Moriones, lagi, always. Sila yung aming catering. Every birthday niya. Yes, Casa Moriones, thank you. We love you. Of course, maraming salamat din. Yan, sa MRJ. Thank you sa kanilang pag-gift.
Mom,
Yan. Na
I was about to open this.
free modeling. Sa free modeling show para kay Micaela. Napakabongga. No? Tapos of course, maraming salamat. Baka ba may nakalimutan pa ata ako.
Dami sa
Maraming mga nagbigay ng sobre sa mga ninong niya. Thank you so much. Ayan. Of course, kay maraming salamat kay MRJ,
Mom,
manager, of course. Manager, the
This one is
CEO,
from
Miss Princess.
Titan.
Yan, nagbigay siya ng iPad, no? Nakaka-touch. Of course, maraming salamat. Aquila Crystal Palace. Ayun ang talaga, grabe. Ibang klase yung regalo na yun.
Mama.
Ibang klase yung regalo na yun. Every year, doon siya nagba-birthday. Maring Tay, yan, ninong niya kasi, ninang niya, si Maring Tay. And yan siya. Maraming salamat. Thank you rin pala sa lahat ng mga pumunta sa birthday niya. Nag-effort. Kahit Chinese New Year yon kahapon. Thank you so much. Ayan. Mango Madness, thank you so much. Ayan. Maraming salamat pala sa marami pa. Baka may makalimutan ako. Ayan. Ilagay lang natin sa comment. Ayan. Makikita nyo rin naman sa mga posts ko sa social media. Follow nyo lang ako, Ethel Buba, sa Facebook page, and of course, Ethel Buba sa TikTok, Ethel Buba sa Instagram. Ayan, makikita ninyo doon yung lahat ng aking mga supplier.
I think we have
Maraming salamat din, Inflatable PH. Ayan. Good dough. Good dough. Ano? Good dough, yeah. Of
Do
course.
you know this house? We actually borrowed this house. We borrowed
We
it.
borrowed this. Nung upahan kami dito.
Yeah,
Paparenovate kasi kami.
because we were, because
Ayan na, isa ito sa Barbie. Ayun, maraming salamat guys. Ayun lang. Kasi na-excite lang din ako. Gusto ko lang pakita itong mga, syempre, mga nag-effort din, na bumili ng gift for Micaela. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Tsaka sa mga papahabol pa dyan ng Gcash. Yung manonood dito. I-Gcash nyo na lang. Ganda pa. Thank you. Say, thank you to them.
thank you.
Ayan, say bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and
Subscribe.
subscribe. Busy na siya. Ayan, excited na siya maglaro nitong mga toys. Thank you. Thank you, Luna.
Thank you, Luna and
Claudia, yung dalawa niyang best. Bye-bye, guys. See you again on our next vlog. Ayan. Kailan naman kaya ang next vlog natin? Bye-bye.